Rituko ria rero nigo aborokigwa bekirasi gya 12 banyakoba bakonekinga gochaka bari amatemu abo a Kcse okwana chinga kecho nigo boigo omwaziri bwesemi Muske Julius Ogamba Migosi obaterana amona baraibande korwa aschiwizara ao nigo babiro batemna amatemu aiga nigarachi gokorekana asenchira yekene nobwasyoku nana bo gwetania aborokigwa chiribu chimikianda 55 chimisano na oyomo nigo banyakoba gwikaransa amatemo yenyakobo chake mambialero ninchiremo yokonekinga oburendi bwabirbo gutingigwa natukomanyigwa n'umurikito brand sagini isena
buna enchera yemo yogwikirania yatunge tabisi yaye muwaziri bw'Kcse Muske wakili Migosi Ogamba emambialero nigo aikirana samaga chobisi yo deputy county commissioner okibra county ya Nairobi koigora container ya matemo manene a Kcse omwaka 2024 ayuachaka bene litukulia lero hasaborokiwa 956,501 kurasa chisenta 10,754 Kenya ingi mabaisara nsero mulimo bw'egesongo gose English paper 1 na boigo chemistry.
We are looking forward to securing this and to ensuring that next year we can come back and celebrate a credible examination result for the first time in the country.
Candidates, I'm wishing all of you success, best wishes from myself and everybody within government.
Kcse y'omwaka yiga 2024 nero entangani kigima wakili Migosi Ogamba akora na ase sababu yiga niga bole wizara y'Kcse mikobwaterana ne wizara y'obulendi bw'ime wizara y'obwererania mangana nabo yiga mangana yekerero ICT nabo yiga kyombe yo kubalika bali mu Teacher Service Commission TSC nigo bagocha kwene kyamatemu y'omwaka yiga ngokoleka senchera engi yaboturubano bonde bwensi butayo na onde bwensi orachikotoka so boibeli nabo yigo konyo boibeli. The
rules are very, very strict. The exams they've got some security features, the papers are secured. We are ensuring that there are no phones in any particular center, and if you find somebody is insisting that they want to be there with the phone, it is an offense. We can take disciplinary action against them or move them.
And the government has invested a lot in education. Actually, education has the biggest budget line in this country. And this shows to demonstrate how much His Excellency President Ruto values education and the role it has in changing this country. So as we go through this exercise, you can always count on our support.
Ogamba nigo boiganekia nigo barachikoro tota so bwange kigima imitandao yonsi yekerero na mutumeki onde bwensi bw'imitandao urachiko chona choniko yetumeka sogo sambaza chimatirio chamatemwa boigo nachikwe mokeli Getembe Television.
So let us not in any manner disobey the regulations that were put in place. Let us obey them. They will help us reduce the instances of malpractices.
Gati ya baraibande bara umojego yigabu kwigara matemu a Kcse na monomoli kyobotambe ase wizara y'obulendi bw'ime Raymond Omolo oyura umojego yukuru ase skuru ya Alliance Girls High School.
And from the security sector, I'm happy to note that so far we have not had any major security incident to be worried about. And we expect that this is going to be the situation throughout the rest of the coming days.
Nabuna Getembe TV tuabaga neiri abaroko bonsi ba form 4 omwako yega amaya. Letara Brian sagini isena.